#1 trusted and international online Quran school for kids and adults. Are you worried about the Islamic education of you or for your children while living in non-Muslim majority areas, or you can't find sufficient time to drive your kids to mosque or Islamic center? Now no need to worry anymore, as we provide live online Quran education for those who want to learn Quran with tajweed and understand Quran while staying at home. No matter where you are living, your age, or your gender, our expert and highly qualified teachers will teach you at your convenience. It's a fast-track online learning system used by thousands of students from USA, UK, Canada, and all over the world. A student will be able to recite Quran with tajweed and beautiful Arabic accent within 2 or 3 months if learned by us. But what makes Holy Quran classes best and most trustable? A dedicated tutor for every student. This means you'll progress fast and understand concepts quicker. Absolutely free trial lessons for your satisfactions. Small monthly fee and special family discount up to 10%. Your own suitable schedule. Schedule your classes according to your preferences. 24/7 support available on phone, chat, and email. Highly qualified and expert staff, including female teachers, to ensure you learn effectively. Classes are given in English, Arabic, Hindi, and Urdu language. Safe and smooth monthly fee procedure with a 100% money-back guarantee. Teachings of basic Islamic principles. We're not just a simple online Quran school, we're committed to providing complete Islamic education. So, Islamic principles are also part of daily learning like salah, prayers, ahadith, and much more. So save time, be protected, and always watch over your kids. So, what are you waiting for? Offers 2 days free trial lesson and 30 days money-back guarantee.